I cannot begin to tell you how much I am in love with this smokeless fire pit Tiki just gifted me. It is incredibly warm, it is beautifully modern, and thanks to its smokeless design, I can have it in a covered area, making my outdoors an inviting space all year long. So I am thrilled that they also sent me their stainless tabletop. Let's unbox this and I'll show you how this elevates this even more. Now this absolutely stunning stainless steel tabletop fits perfectly on top of your Tiki smokeless fire pit when you are not using it. The only key is you want to wait until this is completely cool. Let me show you. So now it is cooled down completely, and I'm taking off all these additional accessories. You might not even have these accessories. What it comes with originally is just this cone in the bottom. So this is really easy just to put the tabletop right over, but I'm going to show you how to tuck everything in. First thing I want to do is push all the ash down. I just like to clean it out as much as possible between uses. I'll tuck in the outside of the screen, and then I can put in the heat shield, and then I can tuck in the top of the screen. And now it's ready for the tabletop. And it truly does just sit right on top. And now it's this really lovely, inviting tabletop. Really beautiful. Highly recommend this wonderful accessory for this incredible smokeless fire pit from Tiki.